today's video, we're gonna be making some delicious Haitian legumes with crabs. I'll be showing you when to add your crab to make a perfect legume. Welcome to Emma Haitian Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how are you doing? So we already have the legume ready, the meat it's already cooked, and the crabs are already clean. So we're gonna finish up the legume. We're gonna start by frying some tomato paste and some tomatoes. After that, we're gonna add the crabs. So that's how I like to make the legume. That's how you're gonna get a perfect legume. Either if you add shrimp or any seafood, you can add it to finish up the legume, guys, like that. So I'm gonna add some seasoning to, for more flavor. And now I'm letting it cook for about 10 minutes, and then after that I add the legume. So the legume, guys, this is how it looks like. It's already cooked. And guys, when I tell you, the kitchen smells so good, guys. And now I'm mixing up everything, guys. You see the way it looks? That's how it was delicious, guys. And I'm adding some butter. If you're Asian, we always have to add some butter and the legume for more flavor, guys. And adding the everything, the meat, that was beef. And guys, when I tell you, this legume smell so good, guys. And now we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and after that we're gonna add some onions, chopped onions. Guys, this was delicious, guys. If you never try like legumes with seafood, with crabs, with shrimp, guys, you need to try this, guys. This was hard, guys. And guys, this is the final look, guys. That was so delicious. And don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, hopefully you enjoy this video. And guys, wow, when I tell you I enjoyed it, and that was my twin brother having the legume, rice and beans for dinner. He enjoyed it too, guys. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Bon appetit. Guys, my twin brother ate it all because he was like, oh my gosh, you literally make my favorite food. You literally make my day, because he enjoyed it, guys. So guys, I'll post like the food recipe of how I make this